Hey, happy Wins Wednesday. We are coming up on August of 2021, and there's just a couple days left of our brand refresh promo. Basically, we're giving away a free brand refresh when you do a website refresh. So that's a nice way to get a new look and feel and update your brand at the same time as redoing your website. Bringing that up to speed with current technology, changing anything you want changed. A lot of things have changed in the last year for a lot of us, given COVID and everything else and our response to it. And a lot of our business models have changed also. So a lot of people have more self-service elements on their website and other things that they want to make sure that they're taking advantage of. So if you'd like to do a website refresh anytime in the near future, we can start on that anytime within 90 days. So if you want to get in on that free brand refresh, you can go ahead and make that investment. We will hold that discount for you, even if you're not quite ready to get started on your brand refresh right at this minute. But we will get to that as soon as you and we are ready, so we can put together a date that works for you. It's August already, 2021, and so of course we have a new calendar, and I'm kind of excited about some of the things on it that you will find. So first of all, we're going to do Follow Fridays again this month. We sometimes do that, sometimes take a month off or two, but what that does is it gives us an opportunity to kind of get to know each other and get to see each other's social media accounts, get some good ideas about what we could be doing on our own accounts, also increase our number of followers, because if we follow each other, that might put us over some limit that gets us to the next level in the algorithm and things like that. So there's always success in numbers. Nobody succeeds alone. That's a saying that we love to follow, because it's really true, especially in social media. The more we get to know each other, the more we retweet each other's posts, the more we comment on each other's posts, the more we engage in dialogue with each other, the more people from outside the group we attract to those conversations, and the better we get to know the folks that are also in the group, get to know the other people in the aviation industry, and so on. So that's fantastic, and that will be, we're going to do Facebook on the 6th, Twitter on the 13th, Friday the 13th, LinkedIn on the 20th, and then on the 27th, we're just going to endorse someone. So make an attempt to find someone that has impressed you over the last month or two and write them a review on their social media. Write them a Facebook review or a Google review, or whatever you choose. And if you have a preference on that, let us know, because we like to review people as well. So those are Follow Fridays. August 12th is National Aviation Day. So if you have something that you want to post about that, or get involved in that holiday, that is a wonderful thing. I need to find out more about where that holiday came from. I haven't been able to find much. So if you know, let me know. If not, I'll post what I find out about National Aviation Day, where it came from, what it's about, and how you can get involved if you want to. All right, on the 9th, we are talking about your company's origin story. That is a discussion that's open to anyone. We'd love to hear how your aviation-related company got started. Those are always great opportunities to find out, what other people did, how they were successful, what they did wrong, and so on. So that's always fun. And then on the 16th, we're having another live discussion, and this is a book club discussion, The 4 Disciplines of Execution. And this is another Franklin Covey book. And this one is only available on Kindle, so you will have gotten that from Kindle if you're in our book club. No paper books this month. We weren't able to find enough to distribute to everyone, so we're doing a little bit of an experiment and doing a Kindle book. So hopefully that worked for everyone. Let me know what you think of those. If you want to switch to Kindle or Audible, we are making those changes as well on people's accounts. So great news on that. Another thing that we're doing this month is group office hours, and that will be on the 9th, right after your origin story. We'll have that discussion. We'll sign off. We'll start back up again in the same room, same Zoom room, and do group office hours. So that's basically anything that you're struggling with. You're wondering how to make something work in social media. You're trying to get an account set up with an email service. You are trying to analyze the metrics from a campaign. Any of those things will solve or attempt to solve any sales or marketing problem in those group office hours. And that's just a first come, first serve. Feel free to drop in if you're having any kind of a problem during that hour, and we will do our best to help you. And that doesn't count against, that's for any of our marketing lab members at any level, and it doesn't count against your office hours or project hours or anything like that. So, opportunity for free help, right? We have 3 birthdays. Jane Santucci is on the 23rd. John Williams, my husband, is on the 28th. And Sherry Chaput is on the 31st. So those are 3 of my very favorite people on the planet and are having birthdays this month. We're very happy that you were born. And it just shows I apparently have an affinity for Virgos. So hard to believe, but there it is. All right, so if there's anything else going on in August that you'd like to let us know about, do let me know. You can comment on this post, shoot me an email, whatever you'd like, and we'll make sure that we get those things published among the group. And once again, really, really happy to be working with you and looking forward to a fantastic month of working together.